This is not just a race. This is a carefully planned adventure, one step at a time. Look at those tiny steps, so perfect, so focused. They are stepping like ninjas on a secret mission. Parents, look at those balance steps. Come on, moms and dads, clap in rhythm. Make a beat for their little feet. Come on, step superheroes. Cheer them on, parents. The louder you shout, the faster the feet will bounce. As we reach the finish line, remember the moral. Every step forward, no matter how small, brings you closer to your goals. Every race comes with a moral, parents. Ooh, it's getting exciting. Just a few more steps to glory. This was the cutest, intense finish I have ever seen. Amazing job, class 1. You walked, you focused, you balanced.